Hello everyone, Gyro is back and new week, which we probably mostly will work on the sound and gonna be a lot of polishing. So a lot of stuff needed to be done. Hey Ben, uh, thanks for being here. Uh, okay, I'm not gonna yap. Let's dive right into it. So yeah, that's what I was mostly working on throughout the weekend. I was working on new tutorial. I haven't finished. I had it as an option in the menu to disable enable it, and when you started the game, the tutorial would begin, but it didn't work properly. It glitched. There was a bunch of stuff going on really wrong with it. So instead, I made just a sec. I'm gonna show it to you. I made additional model teacher. This model it doesn't let you get any scores, that it nullifies any score that you get throughout its walkthrough. It has you need to go only through 3 waves instead of 9 with other models to win with it, and it has the full tutorial. So basically, you can start as a teacher, get all the info, and then start playing as any other models. If you forgot something or you stop playing the game for quite some time, then you can return and uh, play as a teacher one more time, just to remind yourself what's what, and return and continue playing as regular models. So that's the idea. And so far it's been working actually great. I made some adjustments, but it's like a solid mechanic. I need to add some visual stuff to the tutorial, but I don't think I'll be doing it on stream, but we'll see. So today mostly what we will do, okay, let me remove this down. So first of all, we're gonna go through all of the screens, and I'll just look what kind of sounds needed to be added. Let's make this thing sounds list. If we have something that is lacking. Sorry, my throat is really dry today. I don't know, so I'm gonna be drinking a lot. Try to make an object when it drops, it just breaks, but I don't know how to do this. Uh, well, how would I do this? I haven't worked in with gravity for a long time, so like this will be you're gonna have to do this on your own. But you can probably add the colliders to the object and to the ground, give it different groups, like object has an object group and ground has a ground group, and add animation of destroying for the object. Also a good idea, add after the animation one empty sprite. This will look a bit smoother then. Uh, Let me show you on the example. For example, death here. So here, blast, exactly, perfect. So yeah, if I didn't have it in game, it could have started. How would you code it? I mean, if you don't have any experience with coding, I would suggest rely on AI for now. But adding to groups, it's like basic, really basic stuff. Like you can either add here to the group, or you can add in ready, add to group and group name. There it is. So add to group, and you can just show like object or whatever, and you make this animation, and you make if those two objects collide, then this Q3, it destroys the object. So my main advice for now will be ask AI how to do this, and don't just copy its code. Don't blindly copy its code. Ask it to explain what it does, and then implement that code into your game. If it doesn't work, which most likely it will not at first try, then ask it again, like, why doesn't it work, and try to remember it. Like, this is how I learned, at least. You can go through a bunch of tutorials, but tutorials doesn't work for me, especially since because most of them are like do the same thing that I do, exactly the same thing, and without understanding, I still struggle with it a bit, because with AI it has some of these elements, but a lot less, especially since it screws up a lot of time, which is a good thing, because you have to fix it, find those solutions to fix it, and through fixing it, you learn. Okay, so before I continue, I'm gonna make music barely heard, but because I need to like think in sounds, so to speak. Let's get into it. Yeah, it's still too freaking loud. Just a sec, guys. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, so we have list. We have buttons. Do we need the sound of hovering? I don't think so. Not right now, at least. I think that in main menu we don't need any more sounds, but I just want to think through it. So do we need the sound of typing here? Okay, I don't think so, again. So probably here we don't need any more sounds. At least I don't see the need for any. But there is a little glitch which needs to be fixed with the sound. I just remembered. And since we are working on sound, we might as well. Okay. I think this is the problem. Okay, let's see. Oh, wait. Okay. Because it had a problem that when I pressed it, it would restart the music. And it was really weird. It is a restart button from the menu, which will basically help you, like if you don't want to continue previous run, you just can press it and then start over. So yeah, let's see, by the way, how it works now. So let's start. Yeah, now we have, now this intro screen looks like this. There is our teacher. And for example, we can't use teacher for this meta because he doesn't have a save state. I removed it. Like you cannot save the run with the teacher. I mean, it's a tutorial. You're supposed to be doing it in one run. So yeah. Yeah, I added victory screen and victory condition, win condition. So now, okay, let's add this like this, and let's see. Okay. So I think it should be working like if game manager is higher or equal than 1, or like I don't think that I wanna hide it actually. I think I want disabled. Set it to disable. It's less than 2. Then it will be okay, wait. I don't remember. I'm sorry, I'm getting a bit of sidetracked, but there is a thing that really bothers me, and I want to get rid of it. Okay. Okay. Now we gonna make it like this. Yeah, this will look a lot cleaner, first of all. And let's add, yep, like this. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So now when we start the run, then we can, although I think it should be lower, like start should be over here and restart between those two. Kind of like this. I'm sorry, I'm again about visuals, but it's a little things. I don't know. I'm gonna tweak it a bit later, but for now, I'll leave it like this. Uh, Now, intro. Let's go on the intro. So we have this. So here we have our really simplistic music. Again, I don't think I need the hover sound. Damn, I made such a big progress with the sounds while I was doing all of these things that I don't think that we need a lot of them. Okay, so with the intro we are also done. Uh, so we have for okay, here we need some work still. Do we need the spawn sound for the enemies? Maybe. For the enemies and for the package. And for the package, it should be separate sound. Definitely. Okay. So, monster spawn sound. Different pitch. This is the thing that we're gonna add to a lot of sounds. Package spawn sound, also different pitch. Then different pitch for existing sounds. It would be uh, 444. Command projectiles, additional projectiles, shoot and collide, and same here. Monsters. I mean, it's again, it's same thing with the collision. So monsters death, tower damage, what else? Sharp mix, sharp bind. I'm not sure about the sound for the buttons. like this. Oh, sorry, not this one. Where it is? There it is. Like, do I wanna... I don't think that for this we need different one, even though... Okay, I'm not gonna add right now, because I don't feel like we really need it. But before we start adding different pitches, I want to work... Okay, this one definitely needs scaling of a pitch. Okay, I think I like it a lot more. Yeah, for this one, let's make some... Yeah, I'm gonna need to use different stuff for this. Okay, I like bullet sounds. I'm not gonna change it. Okay. Okay, missiles should be a lower pitch because they move slower. Okay, 1 point. Okay, I think 2 is enough. 3.5 maybe here. Okay, this one is fine. Those I'm not gonna touch for now. So let's see. Why do I do this? Okay. Okay, we have a problem with bullets. I feel like it. Yeah, they do not go the whole way. I think at least okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get sidetracked a lot with it, and since we also do some polishing, I think this is fine. But we had some problems with spawn bullet. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, wait. Model. We need model, right? Yeah. Yeah, I need to remove this from here. let's see. Okay, so it spawns over here and goes all the way down there. Yeah, I'm gonna need to add... I think I'm gonna add some kind of a wall here, so it would just disappear when it hits, because I don't like that it moves beyond the grid. I might do it right now, I think. It's not a clean way to do this, but I don't wanna just bother about it a lot, actually. So we're gonna add area to the area 2D gonna have collision. Oh yeah, collision shape. Collision shape. Now let's continue. So let's put it somewhere over here, and sorry guys, I was in a rush when I was preparing the stream and I didn't turn off a lot of stuff, a lot of shit that interrupts. Solution area. Okay, and then just to be sure about it, so it would stay clean, we're gonna do this also. And okay, I so far don't use those global groups. Probably I should, but oh well. Projectile destruction area again. Okay, so there's a lot for it. Copy now the path. Oh, not a lot. Why didn't it? Okay, whatever. So, okay, just a sec. I'm gonna return music for a while I work on it. Come on, work with me. Okay, so we have this. then we're gonna add to a group barrier. We're gonna have new group barrier, and let's go to the projectiles. And then we're gonna add if okay, wait, it works with bodies or with areas too? I don't remember. Data package. Okay, so it's a body. And monsters are also bodies. Okay. Area entered is in group. Let's see if it works. Barrier. Read. Yeah. For the signal, it wouldn't work. Oh well. We might as well make it body. Let's body today. Then we go to the cannon projectile. And we simply do this. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, I think it works. Because let me see through the destroyer. Yeah, it works perfectly. But what is this error? But why do you work? Then. Okay, we might as well may add it to the tower so it wouldn't bullshit us. Okay, let's see. Because it works, but it gives me errors. Why? I don't know. Okay, what if I remove this? I still struggle with those node path because they are fucking weird. Okay. Let me see visible collision shapes. Okay, wait. Okay, so why it doesn't reach all the time? Something weird is going on. Let's reduce this and this, all of this. Maybe then we'll be able to see properly. Okay, not adapter. I need to work with. Okay, so it does not work for whatever fucking reason. Uh, okay, this is for the body, but I need it. Oh, I see, because it is overwritten by. Okay. Yeah, I need to remove this. I'm not gonna remove it completely, but I'm gonna remove this and I'm just gonna do it like so. Let's see how it will work now. Because I feel like it was... fuckity crap. Yeah, I'm sorry. There isn't a lot of sound work today being done. There's a lot of bullshit stuff that needs to be fixed. Because animation, yeah, I worked with the animation because the first version of those projectiles, it was like a straight line that appeared and then it needed to disappear. It was kinda cool, but projectiles feel a lot better. But I still didn't fix a lot of stuff from before. Uh, okay, let's see about packages. I want to see a couple of things about them. Ordering is at 0. Okay, motion. Okay, it's grounded. Maybe I should have left this freaking thing grounded too. And ordering at 0. Not knowing how to make it so when you drop the object it breaks. I mean, you have like pretty fixed problem, pretty obvious problem. Like you know what kind of question you want to ask. So you might as well now try to search through the tutorials, through the asking AI, because head hurting, headache from those kind of things, it's something I'm very familiar with. I had gone through this a lot of time. I would be glad to help you if I could just quickly explain it to you, but I didn't work with the gravity part of games for very long. I quickly went astray from it, so I cannot tell you how to do it like on top of my mind. I mostly worked with something without any gravity. Yep. Until the end. But why the hell it doesn't work? Okay, so I think the problem isn't with the layers, but I might as well check. Nope, nope. It just... Uh, but I make it the same way. Okay, maybe I can cheese it. I can try to add this. Like as you can see, I struggle with some stuff here myself, so this is the way. Um, I can return to the thing with the animation, but there's too much hassle, and I feel like sometimes it disappears in different parts, and does not work for me. So yeah, I might as well at least try to deal with it. Maybe I'll work today for a little bit longer. Uh, I hope it's okay. Okay, so there's no red errors here, so it initiates just fine. At least I think. I might set timer, but again, I feel like timer isn't as reliable too, and it really uses a lot of resources. let's see if more specific part will do, because I'm okay with adding additional. I don't know why it works now, but I'm okay with it. Okay, and animation player is delete, or animation player is destroy, or animation player is update. Two, three. Okay. Let's remove visible collision shapes and okay, I think I can move this a little closer, because it would still hit the enemy first, no matter what. At least I can check it. But it will also disappear a little bit earlier. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I need to move it a little bit to the side here. It happened. It still happened. Despite me being kinda cautious. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move it here. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, I might as well do it kinda like this. So, will it work now? Okay, so it... And now it managed to go through. Weird how it works. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it like this for now. It's kinda too much. Maybe I'll find another solution later, but let's stick to what we have here now. Okay, let's start getting through our list. So monster spawn sound, different pitch. Let's start with, I think we should work with it through the map. Yeah, because we have spawn monster, literally. So it would be perfect place to add it here. So let's add child node audio stream player. Monster spawn sound. Then we add this to sound effects. Bass. Basic volume -5. Let's see. Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. Yeah, I don't want overuse this. Wait, what is this? Okay. What if... Okay, now. What else we have here? Okay, let's look at reject sound. Okay. No. I might work through some different sounds. Like look for some other sounds. Mm. No, it doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna need to find some more sounds to play with. I'm gonna add them and we're gonna go through them. But right now, I'm gonna need to have a quick break, like 5 to 10 minutes break. So yeah, I'll be back, be right back. Okay, let's get back into it. And yeah, I think it imported everything already. So while I was on the break, I went through a couple of sound assets, and now we have some stuff to screw around with. Oh shoot. Yeah, I think I overdid it myself, for example. Yeah, definitely not this. Well, yeah, it's a bunch of stuff. Okay, error, cancel, select, pop up. Hmm. Yeah, no, no. Nope. I didn't check any of those sounds, so we're gonna have to go through a bunch of stuff. Okay, so it's dialogue voice. No. Uh, okay, I think it's kind of same thing that I used to use. Mm, yeah, it's barely heard. Okay, let's make it a little bit. What the? No, definitely not. Ouch. Why it's so loud? God damn it. Okay, I think this is more of... Okay, cinematic. Okay, what about this? Nah. Okay, now this is something closer to what we need. Still nah. Don't think so. Hey, Batak Zombie. Hey man, we are going through a bunch of different sounds, so you're gonna have to suffer through this. Currently, I'm trying to find something for the spawn sound. Okay, what is this? Nope. Yeah, I did quite a lot of work during the weekend. I did a lot of stuff for the tutorial, so I'm pretty pleased with it. Okay, how does kick sound? Uh, Okay, okay. I don't mind lurks. Still engagement. It still helps, and I still do a lot of weird things here, so I don't mind if people cannot stand this. Uh, hmm. Okay, John, I'm gonna remember about this one. Ouch. Okay, this will take a lot of time, so I might do it a little bit more efficiently. Sorry, we're gonna switch this so I could, ouch, without blinding all of you, only blinding myself. Do this, and okay, machines, oh my god. How much stuff is here? Okay. Okay, scan. Let's see what's not scam, scan. Uh, we increase the pitch. Yeah, yeah, definitely some kind of black magic. Not exactly, but okay. It was close, but again, not. Whoa. British time trying to make it so. Okay, so don't know when you throw it breaks. Yeah, that's quite a. I mean, look at it this way. If it's like one of the core mechanics, you're gonna struggle with it right now. But if you manage to go through it and make it work, uh, then it'll be kinda easier to build around it. So yeah. Yeah, yeah. I mean, if you click on it and it breaks, it's already progress. It's definitely an interaction. So good job already. Yeah, I'm currently playing around with the sounds, so okay. What about this one? If I increase by machine. This is kind of funny. Poor. But no. Damn it. Still not it. Still not it. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so what about extras? What okay, I'm not gonna go through all of those bullshit. Like, mm, okay. What the? Yeah, there's a lot here, and I think I'm gonna go here. Okay. No, I don't think it will work. Ouch. Sorry. Uh, interference. No. Okay, let's return to the scan for now. Mm, okay, I have a weird thought. So let's try and make it work. So let's go to the monster and let's go to the animation and add animation spawn. And let's play with it. Where was it? I think it's in the monsters. Yeah, we should play with this one. Oh, I don't remember how many should be here. So 8 like this. I think 16 it was. Yeah, 16. So how do we do this? Probably something like reverse explosion. Then we go to this. Okay, let's add any monster to it. Like, let's add horse to it. Okay, I think it works. I think it works. And let's add elite spawn. So how fast is this one? Okay, 24. Let's okay. And same for this. So we're gonna have up to this one, then those three, right? So I think it should be 7 frames. Yeah, it is. Exactly. Okay. So how do we do this? Spawn animation. Spawn. Then we're gonna animation play. No. Player play spawn animation. Okay, where this one is set. Okay. So okay, I think they will have a conflict, but we'll see. Yeah, it doesn't let this one play out. So okay, I think I need callable here. Okay. I'm not sure how I will be able to do this. Yeah, it's simply for one animation. There's too many. How do I make them? Okay, I'm gonna work on it off stream because it's gonna require me a lot of flashbangs. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm not, like, I wasn't prepared to do this. I'm sorry, this stream is kind of a mess, but yeah, I need to add spawn animations. And same for the package spawn sounds. Let's leave it for tomorrow. I'm gonna work on the mechanical side of it off stream, and then on stream we're gonna focus on simply adding different sounds. So different pitch, I don't really remember how to do this, but it is relatively easy solvable. Okay, okay. So all that I have to do is okay, let's go to the tower. I don't want to flashbang you again, guys. So I might as well. Where is it? Fire shots, I think. So I'm gonna do it before fire shots. And my phone says to me that it needs to be recharged. So yeah, I know. Just a sec. I just need to add a couple of things so I wouldn't blind you. So I'm simply gonna make it like this. Yeah, now I can return to this. So, okay, so this is how it works. So we have randomized speech, and what about sounds? I'm not sure about so we have different sounds. Okay, I'm gonna change this function a little bit. Maybe. Okay, let me think. Because I have different sounds with different pitches, initial pitches. Like I have 2 here, I have 3 here, I have 3.5 here, and I'm not sure if it will work for them, like if it wouldn't override it, which it most likely will. So I might as well fix this function before I do this. So okay, I think I'm gonna need to do it for all of them separately still. Yeah, I might as well then leave it as it is. So I simply gonna do, okay, I have all of those sounds already ready. So let's begin with the cleaner sound, for example. Yeah, it's older names, but I'm not gonna change it, at least not right now. I've been working with them for far too long, so I kinda got used to it. Okay, so we have two, so 1.8, 2.2 probably, or rather, let's try the minimum, and randomize speech for cleaner sound. Okay, let's do the same thing for other two. Sure, it's not the perfect way of doing it, but oh well. Okay, this one 3, so it's 2.9 and 3.1. Play, destroy, and then randomize destroy page. Okay, and let's add the same thing for update. I hate how it pastes those things. So 3.5 means 3.4 and 3.6 here. Randomize update page, firewall sound. Now, okay, but where does this sound is played? Not sure. Okay, there it is. So it's for set cannon firing animation. Okay. So play destroy with random pitch. Play delete with random pitch. And play update with random pitch. Let's see if it works. Let's hear if it works. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more because I don't, either it doesn't work or I don't hear it. So 1.7, 2.3, 2.7, 3.3, 3. Oh, wait. Yeah, right. 3.1, 3.9. It's a huge difference, so now it should. Yeah, it works. But right now it's a bit much, so I'm gonna add one on both sides, and I think it'll be fine. Maybe even more here. Wait, why it's such a big difference here? Oh, I think I miscalculate, or not. 3.3, 3.4. Okay, so 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. I think this should be fine. A little bit more, like adding here, or rather reducing 2.1, 3.1, and 3.7. Now I think it'll be more subtle, but it'll work on the feeling. Oops. Yep. Oh, it's because I made music volume really low. Okay, I think I'm gonna reduce the pitch here and I'm gonna increase it here. And maybe like this here. Okay. I think this should be okay. Yeah, I'm gonna reduce for this one either. Because it... Yeah, I don't think that for the cleaner I need too much. Because it's the one that feels the most. Okay, now I think it's fine. And why the hell did you... Why it stops moving? Okay, I think I screwed up something. Yeah, when I... Okay, let's remove the freaking barrier. I'm gonna work with the animation probably, because something feels off. Something doesn't work properly. Okay, now it moves properly. Okay, okay. So this is better. Okay, wait. What is happening here? Oh, this is happening. Yeah. Good to hell. It's not working. Okay. So we did, but we did only for shooting. So now we have to add colliding. Okay. Let's see. So I think, let me go to this scene. Okay, so wait a second. Okay, I need to add also date hit sound, monster deleted sound, and damaged sound. Or rather, wait a second, let me check. I think I added it to the monster. Uh, yeah, okay, I have it already. Yeah, it's barely heard. So I'm gonna need to work on it. I mean, gonna need to work. I'm working on this part right now, so might as well. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Let's see. Let's hear it more like. Okay. What if I reduce the volume? Reduce the pitch a little bit. let's try without those, with the Volver. It's going, it's going. I had to remove the barrier because it didn't work for me, but okay, let's return the music. Okay, I think this is working. Like this. It kind of, I think it feels good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right now because I'm gonna go through the sounds later, but okay, damaged sound. Let's go back to the tower and damaged sound. What it is right now? Okay, 10. So let's move it from 9 to 11. I think here we can allow ourselves to play with it with bigger pitches. Although we're gonna need to test it. And then randomize monster damage pitch. Play monster damage and damaged sound. Play. And we're gonna do simply this. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, I think it works. Because it is just different enough, so yeah. So when you damage enemy, several enemies, it doesn't just repeat itself. I feel like it's working. We might even make a little bit more. Like 8.5 and up to 11.5. I don't want to make too big of a difference. But okay. Okay, I think it is enough. It is enough. Okay, great. So this collision is done. And now we're gonna need to add a couple of them First of all, we're gonna have, okay, we have monster deleted sound here. It's again for the collisions. I mean, let's finish with the monster, and I think this will be it for today. So I'm gonna finish destroyed and deleted and go to the what was it? Projectile script, and gonna make the same for the update. And then we'll try it out, and this will be it for today. Yeah, I gotta say, as much as I like working with the art, I hate working with the sound. I don't know why, but I really don't enjoy working with it. I used to work on it on several projects, and it never, it never fun. It is never fun for me, unfortunately. Okay, so okay, so deleted sound is again in the projectile. So here we're gonna have simply destroyed sound. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, it's gonna be in die by weapon and die by tower too. Okay, okay, fine. Monster death. Play monster death with random pitch. Monster death pitch. Destroyed sound. Destroyed sound. Destroyed sound. And okay, so the exact same pitch here again. Starting 1 to 10, but we're gonna play with it. Oh, wait, I didn't. Die by a weapon. Let's play monster death with random pitch and this one. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, I think it works. I think it randomizes just enough. It's not much, but it works so far. Okay, so this is done, and yeah, I might as well remove this sound from here, because we have it over here. Let's add a couple of things here. Monster delete pitch. Play monster delete with random pitch. And monster deleted sound. Monster deleted. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, okay, we only need to replace it over here. Perfect. And okay, so it's 5. Then we're gonna go for 3.5, not 35, 3.5 and 6.5. I think this should be enough. Although it's delete sound, so maybe we're gonna go for a little bit lower, but we'll see. Okay, it's really subtle, so I'm gonna change it 4 to 6 still, because it's something that you can hear a little bit better. But okay, we did all of those, and let's add update hit sound also. So we have damage, collide, and effect. We have delete effect, because there is no collide for it. And we need for update hit, like just collide again. So monster update hit pitch, play monster update hit. Okay, update hit sound. What is it called? Okay, update hit. Thank you. Okay, there it is. So okay, update hit play. Let me replace it with this, simply here, and that's all she wrote basically. But before we continue, so what about beach here? Oh, okay, never mind. 10, so again 8.5, 11.5. 8.5, 11.5. Let's hear it again. What? Okay, Godot was thinking for a second. Okay, I'm gonna make it 9.5 and 10.5, because you can hear it really well. Okay, maybe 9.11. 9.11 will be perfect, I think. Especially since I play it without music, the music will cover some of the parts. Perfect. Okay, I can hear it. Okay. Okay, so we did all the interactions for the basic command projectiles. So collision and like proper interactions, all of it has different pitches. So yeah, it works. It definitely works now. So next task will be additional projectiles for shooting and colliding. Okay, we have monster death already. We're gonna need for the tower damage, sharp mix and sharp bind. And also additional tracks for okay, so let me think. I definitely want different tracks for the elite levels, but do I want like different tracks for the basic level, and then I'm gonna need to have at least 2 different tracks for elite levels. I think I'm gonna go for 1 track for basic level and 1 track for the elite level, maybe right now. Yeah. For now, I think I'm gonna go with this. Later, I think we might wanna do 3x3. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Because I'm gonna go through the music tracks and I see if I have enough of those with same theme, same feel to them. And then if I don't have them like right off the bat, then we're gonna have simply 1 regular, 1 elite. If I have something to work with, then we're gonna work on changing the tracks. I don't think that it'll be really difficult, but I don't want to jinx myself with it also. So yeah. But this will be it for today for game dev section. And I'm gonna go have a quick break. And then I'll return to play some Raidi and enter the Titan a little bit more. Because I didn't search properly for any new, or rather I do have one other demo to try out but we'll see if I'm in the mood, if I have enough energy to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a break and be right back.